Hello, Melissa here from Missy's Product Review, and today I'm going to talk to you about the KuDiff desk lamp with a USB charge and port built-in Bluetooth speaker. It is dimmable and 2-color modes. The way it works is you plug it in here to the USB port, which I did, and I'm touching it, and as you can see it's getting dimmer by pressing the top. The next thing is when you look for it on your device, it's called L3 Music Lamp, which I'm hooking up right now, and I'm going to play music through it so you can see how well it works. It retails for $19 on Amazon, and I'll include a link in the review online.
Watch this short video.
Now I've got Spotify started, and the music is coming out through that speaker.
Hey Mainers, we've all got a few things to know when it comes to marijuana.
Unfortunately, I'm sorry this commercial came on. Let's see if I can skip it.
DUI and secondhand smoke, well, that's no joke. On federal land,
but anyways, Maine
it's
is
against the law in these places, and adults only.
Please, you
have to be 21. Sharing
I can't fast forward it, so if the commercial offends some people, I do apologize. I'm just trying to show you how this works. See how clear and crystal it is, and it just hooks into your USB
minutes of uninterrupted listening
port. So I'm just going to let you listen for a little bit, and I'm not going to talk when the next song comes on.
Never did I ever mean to make a mess. I'm gonna get home. Is anybody's guess? Money where your mouth was.
So as you can see, this is a review for Thomason, which I received the product for free or at a reduced price. It plays crystal quality sound, which I really like. And I like that it can plug into my laptop if I'm in bed and I want to listen to music and watch TV, or if I want to listen to a podcast. This is all I need to do. And thank you so much.